So we are here in Niagara Glen and we're about to go down to the Whirlpool Trail. Follow us.
Whirlpool Trail starts with a set of stairs and immediately descends right into the gorge. It is a 7-kilometer hiking route that is a part of a bigger Glen Trail and is considered moderate. It goes along beautiful Niagara Gorge, a 53-meter stone wall canyon exposing rock formations from several thousand years ago. This trail is very rocky and uneven and has steep climbs on its route. If you're an avid climber, you may be interested in getting a bouldering permit to test your skills on multiple boulders along the trail.
Oh, look at that! That is where we're going. That is the Whirlpool of Niagara River. Alright, let's move along. All the way down Glen Trail and we're finally getting closer to the Whirlpools. The trail was through the really beautiful forest. It's called Carolinian Forest. Also the rock formations look prehistoric and they're gorgeous and beautiful. People were climbing the rocks and just experiencing the nature in every ways. Flora and fauna are also very rich here, and there's actually people right behind me who are fishing because this is considered a really good fishing spot. Talking about flora and fauna, looks like there's beavers in here. Check this out. These trees have been definitely marked. Fun facts about it. Behind me are the rapids of Niagara River. The river itself flows from southern Lake Erie into Lake Ontario, and like all 5 Great Lakes, it has glacial nature. Considering the last movement of ice around 12,000 years ago, that's the estimate age of this river. Also, you can see the beautiful rocks I'm standing on that side. That's already USA. So if some of you guys don't know, the river is part of the border between Canada and USA.
Niagara River has a glacial nature. The Whirlpool Gorge, also known as St. David's Buried Gorge, was a channel for an ancient river which existed before the advancement of the glacier. It is believed that the gorge was buried in a glacial slit almost 12,000 years ago, and it never reopened. Later on, Niagara River eroded through glacial debris and filled in the area that used to be St. David's River Gorge. The water flow changed its direction here for a short distance to follow the ancient riverbed. Thus, the Whirlpool was formed.
Guys, so we're in the trail and there's some obstacles on the way, like ice falling, so I'm just gonna try to move quickly around and not get too wet. Wish me luck.
At this part of the trail, we had to make a decision. Turn around and go back the same way we came from, or continue the trail and risk getting wet under the little waterfall. The water immediately froze on the rocks, and it was very slippery and not entirely safe to pass here. Please be very cautious and use appropriate gear and footwear when on the trail. The best time to visit the trail is between April and November. However, you can still manage to go on a hike in the winter months if the stairs are not too icy. We were lucky to hike on a sunny day, and weather conditions were close to perfect. The trail ends with a set of climbs and steep wooden stairs, so be prepared and save some energy. Thank you for watching our video. Let us know what you think in the comment section, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.